Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Leo, the depth of your roster has been more evident with this dominant win despite your missing players. How did you talk to the Beermen tonight, especially at halftime, to ensure that they would fight against any sort of complacency?
Yeah, at the start of the game, actually, in the past few days, we're talking about our lineup, and we're only 10, and there's no time for us to relax because what we've seen, the game of Blackwater against Ginebra, they almost beat Ginebra, and then that gave us a lot of concern. And I'm so happy with the players because they responded to what we're talking about. And they want to win because the situation right now is you don't know kung you will get into the top 4. And that's our target. But right now, medyo scramble yun eh. Kaya every game is very important for us. And I'm happy for the players because even though one-sided game, pero they didn't relax because what we're trying to develop is the habit, the good habit.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Junmar, nitong mga nakaraang laro, mas binigyan mo ng pagkakataon sina Rodney at sila Mo na sumikat. Pero ngayon, ikaw best player ulit. Paano ba kayo sa ensayo? Kaya mas nagkakakumpiyansa sila na hindi na lang dumepende lang sa'yo?
Una-una, papasalamat kami kay God na walang injury sa game na to. Yun nga, maganda yung pinapractice namin. Nagko-compliment kami sa isa't isa. And then, maganda yung program namin yan. So, yun, sana tuloy-tuloy. And then, kailangan namin, yun nga sabi ko, kailangan namin magkakumpiyansa lahat. Hindi lang yung first 5-7 players, kundi lahat ng bench. Kami lahat kailangan magkakumpiyansa para pagdating ng playoffs, may mataas yung moral booster namin. So,